Hi and hello, and welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. This is Christopher Beverly, and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. This wonderful property that I'm at can be yours from $4,000 to $6,000 in total. It's located in sunny Sanford, Florida, about 30 minutes north of Orlando, 40 minutes from the nearest beaches, an hour away from Disney and the theme parks like Universal, Islands of Adventure, and the iDrive attractions. It's priced at $430,000. Built in 2023, so you'd be the first and only owner so far. 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,800 square feet, and a fenced-in backyard. Some notable things about the property is all granite countertops throughout the house, new laminated floor throughout the house, and the primary suite is to die for. It has 2 showers, a standing shower and a tub shower, which is perfect for spouses trying to take 2 separate showers, or if you have a little one, a newborn. But I've talked enough about this property. Let's go check it out, and I'll also break down how it can be yours. Hi, I wanted to briefly touch on the financing for this property. Don't mind my glasses. I'm wearing transition lenses. I've been inside for quite some time, and I'm surprised it hasn't changed yet. But yeah, I wanted to get into the financing. Yeah, so it's possible to get into this home between $4,000 to $6,000, and I'm sure you might have a question wondering how. I work with South State Bank, and they don't require a down payment to purchase a home. I've used this for several of my clients, and it's an amazing program. And my job right now is just to tell more people about it. Why have to spend so much money to get to your dream home when you don't have to? So they don't require a down payment. You can apply very quickly, a couple minutes. I'll leave the link in bio, and it's free to apply as well. There are some stipulations, like you have to have 640 credit score. Your annual income has to fit the sales price of this home or any home that you're looking to buy. And that's pretty much it. There's really no catch. Also, it doesn't include PMI. Most lenders, most mortgage brokers charge you PMI, which is called private mortgage insurance. And it can range between $150 to $300 a month. So I'm already saving you money by going with South State Bank with your home purchase. And that's something you will see on your monthly payment every month. Now, if you're wondering how to buy a home, what's the home buying process, I'll also leave a link in bio, as I made an 8-minute long video that goes over the whole process, so you can feel and not be scared and not have to worry that you understand the full process of buying a home. With that being said, you only from $4,000 to $6,000 to get into this home. There's no down payment. The $4,000 to $6,000 pretty much covers your closing costs, which the seller will cover a great portion of it, which I'll do my job to make sure. But on average, since I've used this program before with other buyers, it's about $4,000 to $6,000, sometimes $4,000, but that's usually the range. If you have any questions, I'm sure this is a lot of information. I'll leave everything I said in the description below, and also my contact information below. Please leave a comment on this video or reach out to me directly, and we can talk and discuss how to make this your dream home.